brook. Alright. Tony's buying flares. Getting ready to go fishing. Where's the boat? It's back there. Caleb's asleep. Nash is here. Taylor's here. And Noah. It's a beautiful day to go fishing. 70 degrees, 7:42 a.m. on the way to Key Biscayne.
Alright everybody, the fishing family's here on the water. Key Biscayne on a Saturday. We'll head offshore, do some drifting, do some trolling, see what we can get into. Alright, we'll see y'all when we get out there. Alright guys, we're out here trolling. We're getting nothing yet. We're about close to 700 feet, maybe 500-600 feet. When we was coming out, we saw some birds, but they all disappeared. Don't see anything now. I got one line out trolling. One troll until we get maybe behind the lighthouse, and we'll see what we can catch behind the lighthouse. So right now, nothing yet. All right, false alarm. Those was grass. I got it.
It might have been something.
Could have been. Okay.
False alarm number 3.
False alarm number 3. False alarm. First drop.
Dot.
What?
Ooh, what?
Don't go away. I'm gonna use him too.
I'm gonna drop mine down.
First drop. I'm a grunt. And I'm gonna use grunty to catch something else. Oh, what?
First catch.
What? I saved Black Boy for bait.
Alright.
And we're sitting on like the edge, like 90 some feet, 85 feet. Close.
You got another one?
Yeah, I think another grunt.
Oh, another grunt. In his face.
Take it off. Show it down.
Still here. Caught another grunt, this time in his face. Oh, snap.
All I'm gonna do is try to save some grunts for
Bait.
drop them down so we catch some group or something down there.
Never know.
No.
Alright.
We out here behind Key Biscayne. Some boats out here. Seeing what we can do. Patrol a little bit. Didn't get nothing. We said let's try something else. That's what we're trying here.
Yeah.
That's what we're trying. Just dropping down deep to see what comes up.
I just saw some little fish pass by. I think those were either ballyhoo or something else.
Alright, so we got some ballyhoo too. We'll drop it down and squid. It's a good day today, tell you that.
Yeah.
Really good day.
I should have caught, well, that guy over there, but I caught all the way right out of there. But One cloud right there, just right straight in front of us. So that's it. Everybody else went on vacation or something. It's kind of crazy. Dang. Just back for back. That's crazy. Brick for brick.
What you say, like brick for brick, rack for rack?
Band for band. What the heck are you, man?
Squirrel?
Squirrelfish?
Squirrel? That's what it is?
Yeah, just put that food back.
You got rabies too? I got rabies. So what? My head red. Like, what?
We might be like on some type of reef or something.
I see my head red.
Saved.
They got it. Stop blood, that's dripping out his face.
Blood, poop, it's life.
Asparagus, all of it. He gone. He's gone.
Goodbye, squirrel.
Peace out, squirrel. Pleasure doing business with you. All right, guys.
All right, so we'll keep dropping down and see if we can get down here. Okay.
11.
I know there's something. Don't know what he's on, but he's on something. I ain't pulling that drag or nothing like that. It might be a grunt or another squirrel or something.
I think it might be another grunt.
Look like a grunt.
Guess what?
Another grunt.
Another grunt. I was right.
You can save him also, just to save him bait. Let me get you another rod. Just drop down too. While that one's sitting there. I'm gonna get kid on that.
Save him? Save him?
Oh yes, save him just for bait, so we can just use it for bait.
Just throw him down. I can't take it off.
Oh, you occasionally. All right, guys, so we still sitting out here. Sitting out here. It's a good day today, I'll tell you that. That's not a boat like us, another Key West just like ours. Good boats, man. You want a nice size boat that good for handling offshore and stuff. That's not too expensive. Look at that Key West, just like us. Pretty good boats. All right.
Key West, if you want, you could like send us a boat or something.
Yeah.
Like, you know, like I'm just saying.
We're the fishing family, fishing on the Key West with a Yamaha, baby. We be offshore, inshore, everywhere, all ashore, on the shore. But that's a good boat for offshore, inshore. Get yourself a Key West. It won't let you down. All right. Live bait, and we got live bait. Look at all them ballyhoos in there. Free 99. Ballyhoo. Those are a little goose break.
I don't know where the camera is. So I done caught myself a little grouper. What the heck is this guy, man?
Strawberry?
Yeah, but I know. But I'm just saying, like, you use a little. You all polka dot, my man. That's very spectacular. Where do I begin? Okay, that's what. How is this stuck in his face? Okay.
No.
Look at all those teeth.
Yes.
Did I break something? Probably.
Oh, it's that one. Oh, okay. Should I throw this in the water?
Oh, you got a group or two. Awesome.
See, you guys, I could take stuff off too. I just choose not to because I'm lazy.
Alright.
Man, I got my bait back. That's a 2-for-1 deal.
Yeah, I think I can go to it. I caught a
Oh.
It's full, it's full.
Oh my god.
Broke his jaw.
Why?
He's filming his thing. Yeah, calm down,
I'm
man.
sorry.
Yeah.
I done broke this guy's jaw.
You
He's
got a
not
hog
legal.
snapper.
I don't think he's legal.
Wait, hold him up.
Oh.
Hog snapper, take him. I don't think it's legal either. Take him.
How big do they have to be? I think 17.
They're right there. side. The second one in the bottom, from the bottom. Third one from the bottom. See, third from the bottom?
Where are we?
Right here.
No, but I'm saying Atlantic, right?
Atlantic, no. You're always in Atlantic.
No. Yeah, nah, he's not big enough.
No, he's 16. He's not 16, like 13.
Has to be 17.
Yeah, 17.
Yeah.
Throw him back.
Actually, I think it's
Take him off, throw him back.
It's like you already have to have it ready.
Alright, so guys, we moved over a reef because we offshore fishing a little bit and we came over a reef so they can catch some fish. You stuck? So now we're gonna fish here a little bit so they can catch some fish, and then we're gonna head back out offshore again. Hog snapper going back down. Alright, it's a great day out here, man. It's a great day today.
Got my bait back again. That's a 3-for-1 deal. That's crazy. Yeah, we just sitting here chilling, trying to catch these fish. Because we did some offshore a little bit. That wasn't really popping, so we came back in just to... This is the first time we fished a reef this deep in a while, I'd say. Well, normally the reefs that we go to are... Well, Watson, yeah. But like, Watson hasn't really been producing lately, so I don't really count Watson no more. We on bad terms. All right, we're on.
Troy got one.
Troy got one too. Both of y'all are on.
Cherry, strawberry thing.
Yeah, Troy got Grant. Go find your daddy. That fool blew a kiss at you. That's crazy.
Cherry got one?
Yeah.
Bop.
Hold on.
We still here at the reef.
You stuck?
No, he's not stuffed.
Alright, so, man, it's so crystal clear out here. You can see everything.
I know.
It's like barely in the clouds and stuff too.
You can see all the way to everywhere.
I see my house right now. I see Miss Piggy pooping all over the place. No,
So
okay.
clear. We're in about 40 feet. Sitting on a reef. We're gonna head back offshore again. See if we can get some out there. We got a live well full of ballyhoo. We'll see what we can do. We can bite right now, you know what I mean?
It happens. Just casual getting the bite happens.
Look like a grunt.
Yeah.
Yeah, grunt. Brought him up from deep.
Hey, ripped him out of his home. Fool was doing his taxes. Did before April.
He was doing laundry. Snatched around his laundry.
It was laundry day. That fool was trying to do a Saturday cleanup. That man got motivational. He was trying to get his life back together. Ripped him out of his home. Unlocked the door and everything.
Alright. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment to the channel. Turn your post notifications on. Tell us what you think about this fishing. Any pointers, any tips for us to get on the big one, let us know.
Yeah.
And if we can catch some fish, we're gonna have a live catch and cook on Saturday night. So stay tuned.
Join us
Let's
for.
see if we can get one. Have the catch and cook. See if we can get on one.
It's almost like he just got on one. That fool timed it.
Another grunt. Grunts are like so abundant.
I know. What the heck? Like why?
Somebody need to start catching things and eating them. They're so many.
You on shore or you stuck? You wind too slow.
All right, so we're gonna head back offshore though in a little while. So you know, on the mutton.
Wow.
Nice mutton.
Pretty big.
It's a nice mutton snapper there. Yes, sir. No, it's the one that
Band for band.
catching all the
Did you get a one for one?
good ones today.
The variety. I got the variety pack this time. I went and bought it.
Is it legal?
No, not legal. We still haven't called it catch and cook yet. But
I would do a catch and cook.
Okay. Well, now we definitely have it.
all right, let me hold this for a second.
Yeah. You got something?
Oh, now it's all right.
I ain't no bait on it.
Oh,
So I say I was like on the Villa Lobo rod.
Villa Lobos.
They're back. And they're back.
What are you frying them, Nash? What is this?
They're back.
This fool's cooking them. This fool's like, this fool's driving up to boats like 2 for 1, 2 for 1,
He's selling them.
2 for $1, 2 for $1.
Play.
Put He put his bait on display.
Just trying to make a couple bucks.
We were trying to make a few bands before he goes home.
Where'd the cone?
I guess I'm not going back to back. Back for back. Oh, band for band.
They're gorgeous.
They're gorgeous.
Look at the back.
Why are you caressing them? I don't like that. I don't feel comfortable. Can you stop doing that?
That is weird.
Okay, thank you. We'll see you on the next fish.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you could take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we own. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
This is new to us, being side by side with a cargo ship. Wow.
Perfect edge boat.
Yeah. You know you're out deep when you're next to those.
You also
We think so.
are right behind you.
Something on here. You know what? Oh, you pulling hard too. I don't know what he is, but he put a whole big one.
What?
What is that?
Big fat.
Okay.
That's
better be leaving.
That's crazy.
It better be worth it.
Yeah, mutton.
Sick.
Huge. We got dinner.
It's a female.
I mean, how big supposed to be?
We got dinner. It has to be. Mutton has to be
Wait, I got
18.
18 golf and
18 is up to here.
Fork.
fork.
Oh, yeah, that's short.
Yeah, it's 16. Is the fork here?
It's like 14.
Alright, let's take a picture now. Oh. Can you do something with that, right? That is pretty big.
Alright,
Where's the rest of you?
that's gonna go down.
Your family.
Peace out, gang.
When your brother
You're
and
lucky you're
sisters,
short.
parents, make sure they're 20 pounds.
Inches.
Or pounds.
Pounds would be nice.
20 pounds, so they're gonna be that thing on the boat.
Oh, we can fit up with some beer.
We did with the barracuda.
Yeah, you remember the bear?
Try to cut his head off.
Like there was two, and then it was like
Yeah,
right
I
here.
remember.
Oh, sliding
That's
forward,
why
right?
a fish and attack the fish.
So it's like just like rolling the ball and
bird
just
or
turning that. Like it's not it's not
We might have found something here, I don't know. We drifting in about 108 right now. We'll have to go back out again. We'll wind these up and go back out again because huh?
So watch your ride.
We're like, got some still getting bites on us. Eh? We're drifting in a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
We're at 108. We're drifting in slowly. I started out about at 127. We started drifting in. We got on fish right away. Right away. It was flat like glass, but now the wind picked up a little bit. Nice. Get up. Hold me.
Oh. Got something now?
Yeah, let's start a drift over again. We're getting too close. Let's run it up.
Okay.
You want to start a drift over again and then we'll
So we think we got a fish. He got a fish. Think.
how small.
It's light work.
Nope.
Nope. Bye.
I'm getting a bite.
He probably fell off. I'd have been getting any bites. They don't like me like that no more. Seems to be some activity around here. There's nothing too crazy, I guess.
Some activity down deep. I'm only
Oh, watch your other rod.
You forgot the pepperoni. No,
Oh, one's dropping, the other one's getting pulled.
I see it. It's a little piece. Yes.
nothing on it.
Nothing on it?
It was something pulling on it. So I'm using some ballyhoo that we caught earlier with the ballyhoo net. Use some ballyhoo we caught earlier with the ballyhoo net. We caught a whole bunch of live ballyhoo, so that's what we're using now.
Just using his bait.
But some of them dead, so I'm just cutting them up. Using those. We're about 120 feet drifting. It seemed like around 120 is where we're biting at.
Yeah. There must be something here. Although my rod has been stagnant. It was silent.
What y'all know?
Huh?
A squid?
I don't know. I'm using what's it called?
Seems like about 120 is where you're biting.
Yeah.
We're about 117 now. Dropping some ballyhoo chunks down. You get bit like right away too.
No, look at the other eyes turning.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I guess because we're moving, so. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's seaweed. But. Oh.
Kind of weight on it too. Might be another snapper.
Could be.
It's another mutton. It's got some weight on it. Feel it.
What could he be? Find out next time on the next episode. South Florida Fishing Family. Fish comes up, we cut the video. Man. Man. This food heavy.
Here you come. Here you come.
Oh, it's another
Tile
tile
fish.
fish. Hey pal.
Another sand tile. Big one too this time.
You caught somebody else's line.
Big one this time.
Real tile. Hey pal.
Outside last.
What's going on, buddy? Man.
Hey, you got two hooks in there?
Yeah. Wow, 2-for-1 deal is crazy.
Wait. I'm tangled on myself. Take yourself off.
I mean,
You just had bait in this one. Just had bait in this bait in this one.
Yeah, they do like
is that the biggest one you caught? Were the other ones small? Really?
I don't really like sand tile fish.
You don't like it? I thought it tasted good.
I think it tastes pretty good.
Oh my